channel. I'm Astrid. Today we will unbox and review this Lego Friends Emma's Play Cube. This is the Lego Friends Emma's Play Cube. So I'm very excited that we bought this at the Play Store. So it has one surprise but inside, and it's a series 1. So as you can see at the back, wait, first it's 6 years old plus and above. And then there are stickers in this pack with every pack of the Lego Friends. So at the back here, you can visit their website, lego.com friends. So the number, of course, is 41404. So at the back, guys, you can make any shape what you like. See, as you can see at the back, it's the heart. This is Mia's cube, this is Emma's cube, Play Cube, of course. This is Olivia's Play Cube, this is Stephanie's Play Cube, this is Mia's Play Cube, and this is Andrea's Play Cube. Ta-da! It's a heart! So, the packaging, of course, it's so cute because we got a lot of pets here at the sides that they put. Okay, guys, are you ready to unbox?
Yes!
Let's unbox! Before I unbox, guys, please visit my YouTube channel, Astrid Mulles, and watch my other videos. And even the Lego Friends videos, what it's already up. It's already uploaded. On my YouTube channel, guys, I have my other Lego videos and building blocks. And I also have a Facebook page, Astrid Mulles. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, guys, this is my first Lego Friends Play Cube. Okay, now let's unbox. It really has the Play Cube. There's the stickers and the instructions, of course. And there's the parts. Finally, it's only small parts, of course. Now, guys, let's put this box over here. Look at this. It has a little space. Now this is the now we have the surprise pet inside. How about let's check the surprise pet before we leave. And it's a cat. So cute. Oh wait, you cannot move the head. Oh, it's okay. At least we have other parts. Then this is the first instructions. So guys, this is the series 2. Now we got is the series 1. So I bet this is the instructions for now. This is Emma. And let's just open it. And voila! Oh, we have other ones. I already got this and this. Guys, yeah, of course. Now here's the instructions. It's so easy! Ah! So easy to make. Wait, there's more. So this is the one. Okay, guys, now let's open! forgot me Emma's head. Let's put the plastic over here. In the other bag, of course. Okay. Okay guys, the instruction is ready, the materials are ready, the stickers are ready obviously, and let's start building! So guys, first let's build the character. First, Emma's legs, then her body, and then Emma's face. There we go, and then last but not least, Emma's hair. Ta-da! Ta-da guys! So guys, next we will get the cube. Next, we're gonna build Emma's workplace. Now, this is so cute. Wait, Emma got a laptop. This over here. Then this one. Then the shelf. The clear shelf, of course. Then we're gonna put the sticker later. We're gonna just put the sticker right now. Now this is Emma's mirror. Let's put it over here. Okay guys, here's the mirror. Let's put the hanging things for Emma to put her brush and the scissors. Okay, let's put the scissors over here. Is it like that? Okay. The next is the brush. Done! Now next, let's put the smooth part for Emma's laptop. Then, let's put the cap. Emma searches for cats because she loves cats. And there we go. Right in place. See guys? Let's put it over here. Then let's put it in the cube. Ta-da! Is here. I bet Emma needs her laptop. She's gonna do something. Yeah, she's gonna do something. Okay. Okay guys, next we will make Emma's studio. First, we gotta need this part. And then this part. Yeah. A stand for the camera and the seat for the cat. Then we will put the clear part for the camera. Then now let's put the camera. I'm done, guys. Look at the cat. Now we will put Emma's studio. Ta-da! So cute. Now we got Emma's workplace and Emma's studio. Now let's get Emma. Put Emma over here. That she's gonna picture her cat. Ta-da! Now guys, the set is done. Now we can close it. Ta-da! So guys, I'm done making this Emma's play cube. This is her workplace and this is her studio. As you can see here guys, at Emma's workplace, Emma has a picture of her cat, which means she's out of orange, so she's gonna just do it gray with a party hat. And guys, Emma has a window over here with the Paris. That is the Eiffel Tower. And then guys, this is her laptop, which means she's typing cats. Of course she loves cats. And guys, this is Emma's scissors, and this is Emma's brush. And this is Emma's mirror if the cat wants to see herself. Yeah, of course. And then we have accessories for her cat or Emma. She got a party hat and a big bow with a heart in the middle. So guys, as you can see here at Emma's studio, Emma has 2 yellow lights. Now she's picturing her cat. Yeah, of course. And this is Emma. Again guys, if you want videos like this, please search my YouTube channel, Astrid Mulles, and you can watch my other videos and my other building blocks like Lego Friends and Lego Classic. And Lego Disney. Hey YouTube! If you enjoyed this video, please like and share and click the subscribe button to get new video updates. Thanks for watching. Bye!